Hello, this is Willie with the Basement Kings. We're on our Low-and-Oak project, and we've just got through pouring our footers, and we're smoothing out the concrete. Let's go down and take a look at it. This is our bunker project, which we are doing multiple out here, and this is the second basement that is going in. And as you can see, for a footer, this is extremely reinforced. And the back side is going to be escape hatch, and over to the right we're going to build a decontamination room, which we're going to walk over to so you can see what that looks like. This right here is going to be a long set of stairs. We're going to enter in from over the top, and coming down the wall, we're going to clean that up and waterproof the basin and against the wall as well. And it'll come all the way out, and then we'll put a set of doors right about here. And then there's to be a small decontamination room, and then right here at the edge will be another door, and then it will be the entrance to the basement. And to the far corner over on the other side right here, that's going to be the escape hatch. So this project right here, we excavated it about 3 weeks ago, but we kept having cave-ins because it was a solid rain. And even though we're building another one slightly up, the soil is dramatically different. You can look here, you can see where the soil here has a lot of extra clay, so it crumbles a lot. And at the very top, there's dirt. But down here at the bottom, it's not near as hard as our other project. This clay right here breaks off much easier, and it just falls. So we had to wait until the area dried up in order to properly get it done. So now that we've finished pouring, we are done with this portion. So now we can get ready to clean up these forms and start putting in our braces and get ready to start forming for our walls. This is an exciting project, so who knows, we have maybe anywhere between 10 to 20 more to put in, and this is the only subdivision that will be like this in Texas, and the Basement Kings just building them. So let's get busy.
Hello, thanks for watching. If you like our video, then please subscribe or visit us at thebasementkings.net. Thank you and have an excellent day.